Hey guys, so here's a question that I had on my midterm exam. Solve the following equation on the interval 0 to 2 pi, and I have the expression cosine of x plus pi over 4 equals negative square root of 2 over 2. So let's go right into it. So the first thing I would do, guys, is take the inverse of cosine. That's how you can get rid of that cosine here. So I'm going to have x plus pi over 4 equals, and then you can write plus minus if you like, or you can just write arc cosine of negative square root of 2 over 2 plus 2 pi n. And it doesn't hurt if you want to write the plus minus, it's fine. So there it is. And then what I would do next, guys, I think a lot of you, it's easier to know where x is square root of 2 over 2 or negative square root of 2 over 2. And that happens in quadrant 2 and quadrant 3. Negative square root of 2 over 2, square root of 2 over 2. Remember that cosine's your x-coordinate, right? So negative square root of 2 over 2, negative square root of 2 over 2. So here we go. So my first expression, x1 plus pi over 4 equals, this one is 3 pi over 4. So 3 pi over 4 plus 2 pi n. And we write 2 pi n because if you go a revolution from here, you're back at negative square root of 2 over 2. So that's the justification of why we write 2 pi n. And then your second expression, this happens again in quadrant 3 here, which is going to be 5 pi over 4 plus 2 pi n. And then all we got to do is move the power of 4 right there. So here we go. I'm going to write x1 equals negative pi over 4 plus 3 pi over 4 plus 2 pi n. So then when you combine like terms, negative 1 plus 3, that's 2 pi. 2 pi over 4 is the same thing as pi over 2. So pi over 2 plus 2 pi n. And then here's my second expression. So I'm going to move that power of 4 right here. So x2 equals a negative pi over 4 plus 5 pi over 4 plus 2 pi n. And then negative pi plus 5 pi, that's 4 pi. So you're going to have 4 pi over 4. So the 4s are going to cancel out, right? For 4 pi over 4, let's see, like that. So you're just going to have pi, guys. Pi plus 2 pi n. So then my solutions, my very first one is pi over 2. So pi over 2. And my next one is pi. And then it's between 0 and 2 pi. So if I add another 2 pi to the pi over 2, I'm outside the domain. And if I add another 2 pi to the pi, that would be a 3 pi, which I'd be outside that interval of 0 to 2 pi. So that's it. These are my only two solutions. All right, guys. I hope you guys like that. Later, guys. Bye.